Welcome to the ultimate glow-up journey for 2025. This isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling unstoppable, thriving in every area of your life, and stepping into your power. Together, we're embarking on a transformation that's all about growth, mind, body, and soul. So, why go for an extreme glow-up? Because you deserve to be the best version of yourself. Let's make 2025 the year we thrive. Ready to set those intentions and crush every goal? Let's begin. Step 1. Glow up. Goals setting. Why are goals important? Because they're the blueprint for our glow-up journey. Without them, it's like trying to build a dream home without a plan. It just doesn't work. Here's how we're doing it. SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, fitness, 3 workouts a week for strength and energy. Skincare, commit to a consistent morning and night routine. Financial, save 20% of your income or start an emergency fund. Now, grab your journal and jot down what you want to achieve in 2025. Think of this as your glow-up checklist. And remember, this journey is personal. Your goals are meant to work for you. Step 2. Physical transformation. Why focus on the physical? Because when you feel good in your body, it impacts everything else. Your confidence, energy, and mindset. Let's start with fitness. Whether it's yoga, a quick morning stretch, or hitting the gym, find what makes you excited to move. Think of this as building strength and confidence from the inside out. Next, skincare. If you're unsure where to start, I've got you covered. Check out my video on how to find your skin type. It's packed with tips to help you build a skincare routine that works for you. Once you've nailed down your skin type, stick to the basics. Cleanse, moisturize, and always wear sunscreen. And don't forget fashion. Upgrading your wardrobe doesn't mean breaking the bank. It's about finding pieces that make you feel like your most confident self. What's one new style you want to try this year? Step 3. Mental and emotional glow-up. Why is this important? Because confidence starts from within. Start with journaling. It's one of the simplest ways to clear your mind and set intentions. Each morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for and 1 affirmation to guide your day. This small practice can create big shifts. Meditation and therapy are also amazing tools for building resilience and staying grounded. Even 10 minutes of meditation a day can help you feel more present and in control. Ask yourself, what's one thing you can do today to nurture your mental health? Maybe it's starting a gratitude practice or setting aside time for mindfulness. Whatever it is, take that first step. You deserve it. Step 4. Lifestyle elevation. Why does this matter? Because the spaces we live in and the routines we follow set the tone for how we feel every day. Start by decluttering. A clean, organized space can work wonders for your mindset. Whether it's your closet, desk, or digital files, clear out what no longer serves you. Next, explore new hobbies or skills. Always wanted to learn how to paint, cook, or garden? This is your sign to go for it. Adding a creative outlet to your routine makes life more fulfilling and fun. Finally, prioritize healthy boundaries. Protect your energy by saying no to what drains you and yes to what truly aligns with your goals. Elevating your lifestyle is all about creating a space and routine that supports your glow-up. Step 5. Celebrating wins. And finally, celebrating wins. Why celebrate? Because every step forward, no matter how small, deserves recognition. Maybe you nailed your skincare routine this week or crushed your first workout of the year. Whatever it is, take a moment to acknowledge it. Treat yourself to something that makes you happy. A cozy self-care night, a favorite dessert, or even just a quiet moment of gratitude. Our 2025 glow-up journey is just beginning, and I'm so excited to be on this path with you. Remember, this isn't about perfection. It's about progress and becoming the best version of yourself. Don't forget to check out my video on how to find your skin type. It's the perfect starting point for your skincare glow up. And stay tuned for next week's video, where we'll dive into 15 things to let go of before 2025. Let's keep growing, glowing, and supporting each other every step of the way. See you in the next video.